Let's combine like terms here. Now what we've got are x cubes, right? They're both x cubes. Over here we're down 8, and now we're going to add 5. So what you might be thinking then is, not that you have to write this, but what you might be thinking is going on, how many of these x cubes do you have? Well, you're down 8, and then you're going to add 5 of those x cubes. So we are going to have, out of this, negative 3x cubed. Number 9, we have 12x cubes, and then we're going to add negative 5x cubed. So really what we're doing here is this. You might think of it this way. How many of those x cubes do we have? We have 12 of them, and then we're going to lose 5 of those x cubes. So all in all, what we're going to get here are 7 of those x cubes. Number 10, we've got some different terms here. We've got these a squareds here and here, and then over here. And then we've got this something else here, something different, a b squareds. So how many of these a squareds do we have? So I'm going to count these up. Now you can probably do this in your head. Here's our head. So how many of these a squareds do we have? Well, I have 4, then I lose 1, right? I have 4, then I lose 1, and then we add 6. So I've got that many of those a squareds. So we're going to have what? 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 plus 6 is 9. So there's 9 a squareds, and then you still have those 5 b squareds out here. Now the b squareds are different than the a squareds, right? I mean, they look different. Number 11, let's see what terms we have that are alike. We have 6 of these a squared b's. Now these are different, right? These are ab squareds. These are a squared b's. These are ab squareds. So we have 6 of these a squared b's, and then we have 6 more, right? So what about these a squared b's? I got some here, and I've got some here. So what do we have? We have some here, and we have some here. So how many of those do we have all together? Well, 6 of them, and then 6 more is going to be 12 of those a squared b's. And then what else have we got? Well, we've got these 3 a squared, we've got 3 ab squareds, and then we've got 2 more ab squareds. So these things here are alike. So how many of those do we have? Well, we've got 3 of them, and then we add 2. So now we're going to have 5 of those ab squareds. There we go.